So we've just done the remembrance 2-minute silence. Nice to the lads. You know, look at that for a view.
Burnside caravan. What's it called? Burnside Caravan Park? Burnside Park. Burnside Park. Fucking hell, I'm miles away. That ain't fucking right. I've come through Keswick, I've gone past that place where you said. It's saying I'm an hour and fucking 10 minutes away now. Yeah, I'm going to see now if it can pick this up. Hold on.
Let me see if I can drop you another pin on the phone.
Hold on, that one might have worked. Hold on. Yeah, it has. That one's it's worked now. It must just because when I pulled over, I don't have a very good signal.
No, mate. Fucking. I've had to sign up for Wi-Fi for an hour.
Okay, now. So it's saying here 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes.
Head south on B529.
when the team is complete. Idiot, right?
You're right. Oh,
We almost kept it a secret, but they wanted to go down the pub.
let me get
man.
fucking. Oh, God, can I get out?
Yeah, you can get through there.
Can I get through?
Love
How
it
you
to see
doing,
you,
man?
love it to see you, mate.
Yeah, man, sound. How you doing?
Yeah, good, man.
All right.
All good.
Hey, God, our music off. Hey! All right. You all right?
Happy we remember?
You all right? You all right?
How are you, mate?
You all right? Oh, man.
Easy. Who tries ice?
Yeah.
I've lost the phone. Does anyone say phone? And a parent. Jeans. Don't worry, anybody, but.
Way!
You alright?
You all right, mate?
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta I gotta pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on my shoulder. This is my exposure. Pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on my shoulder. This is my exposure. Pop that all night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. Pop that all night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin.
So we've just done the remembrance 2-minute silence. Nice to the lads. You know, look at that for a view. Absolutely stunning. So we stopped in one of these little like chalet things. It's really nice. So just head back home. Just jump on the motorway and head back home, I think. But yeah, it's nice to come up and see the lads. All the bikes are here now. So you've got the Tracer 900 GT. My bike. Underneath there's a Triumph KTM Adventure. And then you got Uno's bike, which is the yellow BM over there. So yeah, just the ride home now. So see you later.